Hello, I'm Dr. Ava Clark. Even if you walk every day, eat your protein, and take all your supplements, you could still be losing muscle if you're not taking these two specific vitamins at bedtime. Most seniors have been told magnesium builds muscle. I'm here to tell you the truth. There are two vitamins that work much better than magnesium while you sleep. If you take the wrong vitamins at night, you'll actually break down muscle faster than you build it. I'm going to give you the exact nighttime routine that helped my 78-year-old patient Robert gain 5 pounds of muscle in 8 weeks, plus the 3 vitamins you must never take after dinner. Your muscles do most of their growing between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. while you sleep. During the day, your muscles break down, but at night they rebuild stronger. Your body releases growth hormone during deep sleep that tells your muscles to turn daily protein into new muscle fibers. The problem: a 70-year-old produces 60% less growth hormone than a 30-year-old. This is why seniors feel weaker despite their efforts. The good news? The right vitamins at the right time can boost growth hormone production, like when you were younger. Magnesium supplements don't build muscle. Magnesium is like oil for your car engine. It helps things run smoothly, but doesn't make your engine more powerful. Most seniors get enough magnesium from almonds, leafy greens, or dark chocolate. You don't need expensive magnesium pills. What you need are 2 specific vitamins that signal your body to build muscle tissue during sleep hours. When I switched patients from magnesium to this 2-vitamin routine, everything changed. The first vitamin you need to take at bedtime is vitamin D3. Not regular vitamin D, but specifically D3. Here's why this is so powerful for seniors. When you take vitamin D3 before bed, it activates special receivers in your muscle cells called VDRs. Think of them as tiny locks that only vitamin D3 can open. Once these locks are opened, your muscles can absorb calcium and other minerals much better during the night. But here's the really exciting part. Vitamin D3 tells your body to make more testosterone while you sleep. Now, before you worry, this is natural testosterone production, not dangerous hormone therapy. Even women need testosterone for muscle strength. A study from Harvard University followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D levels for 8 months. Half took vitamin D3 supplements every night, and half took nothing. The results were remarkable. The vitamin D3 group gained almost 3 pounds of muscle, while the other group actually lost muscle. Let me tell you about my patient, Margaret. She's 82 years old and came to me because she could barely lift her groceries anymore. Her doctor had prescribed magnesium, but nothing was helping. Within 3 weeks of taking 3,000 IU of vitamin D3 before bed, she called me excited because she could carry 2 grocery bags at once again. Here's exactly how to take vitamin D3 for maximum muscle building. Take 2,000 to 4,000 IU with your dinner. Always take it with some healthy fat like olive oil, butter, or nuts. Take it every single night, not just when you remember. And buy the D3 form, not D2. Check your bottle carefully. If you prefer getting vitamins from food, here's what works. 4 ounces of salmon gives you more vitamin D than most people get all week. Egg yolks from free-range chickens are excellent sources. A tablespoon of cod liver oil mixed into salad dressing if you don't like the taste, and mushrooms that have been sitting in sunlight. But here's what most seniors don't know. Even if you take vitamin D3 perfectly, you still won't build muscle optimally without the second vitamin. This next vitamin works with D3 like a key and lock system. The second vitamin you must take at bedtime is zinc. Not just any zinc, but a high-quality zinc supplement taken 2 hours after dinner. Here's why zinc is so critical for seniors. It controls over 300 different processes in your body that repair and build muscle tissue during sleep. Without enough zinc, it's like having a construction crew with broken tools. They want to build, but they can't do the job properly. Zinc does something remarkable during your sleep hours. It helps transport amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, directly into your muscle cells where they get assembled into new muscle fibers. It's like having a special delivery truck that only works at night. Here's the shocking truth. Over 40% of seniors are zinc deficient, but most doctors never test for it. Low zinc levels slow down wound healing, reduce natural hormone production, and block your muscles from using the protein you eat. This explains why some seniors eat plenty of protein but still can't build muscle. They're missing this critical mineral that acts like a key to unlock muscle growth. A groundbreaking study from the University of Michigan tracked 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. Those who took 20 milligrams of zinc daily increased their muscle protein synthesis by 34% and recovered 40% faster from exercise. Let me share Robert's story. He's 78 and was frustrated because he was doing everything right, eating protein at every meal, walking daily, even lifting light weights. But he kept getting weaker. His blood test showed low zinc levels. Within 6 weeks of taking 25 milligrams of zinc before bed, he gained 5 pounds of muscle and could climb stairs without getting winded. Here's the simple zinc protocol. Take 15 to 25 milligrams of zinc 2 hours after your last meal. Take it with a full glass of water. Don't take it with calcium or iron supplements because they interfere with each other. And look for zinc picolinate or zinc glycinate forms because they're easier to absorb. The best food sources of zinc include oysters, which are the absolute best source, beef and lamb, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, yes really, and cashews and almonds. Here's an important warning. Don't take more than 30 milligrams of zinc daily because too much can actually interfere with copper absorption and cause problems. Now, here's where most seniors make a huge mistake. They take these muscle-building vitamins, but then sabotage everything by taking other vitamins at the wrong time. After 25 years of helping seniors build strength, I've identified 3 vitamins that can completely destroy your muscle-building efforts if taken at night. Most of my patients were shocked to learn they were taking these muscle-destroying vitamins every evening. The first muscle destroyer is B-complex vitamins. I know this sounds surprising. B vitamins are supposed to be good for energy and nerves, right? They are, but only when taken in the morning. Here's the problem. B vitamins stimulate your nervous system and speed up your metabolism. This is great at 8 a.m. when you need energy for your day. But at 8 p.m., it's a disaster. B vitamins keep you from getting deep sleep, and deep sleep is when your muscles actually grow. Without deep sleep, your body can't release enough growth hormone to build muscle. Even worse, B vitamins taken at night can raise cortisol, your stress hormone. Cortisol literally breaks down muscle protein for energy. For seniors already fighting muscle loss, this is devastating. Let me tell you about Dorothy, my 73-year-old patient. She was doing everything right, eating protein, taking vitamin D3 and zinc, but still losing strength. We discovered she was taking her B-complex vitamin with dinner every night. Within 1 week of switching it to breakfast, her sleep improved. Within 3 weeks, she had gained 2 pounds of muscle. The fix is simple. Take all B vitamins with breakfast, never after 2 p.m. The second muscle destroyer is vitamin C. This one surprises everyone. Vitamin C is supposed to be healthy, right? It is, but timing matters enormously. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. At night, your muscles actually need a little bit of oxidative stress to trigger the repair process. This stress is what tells your body to release growth hormone and start rebuilding muscle fibers. When you flood your system with vitamin C at bedtime, you shut down this natural repair signal. Your muscles don't get the message to grow stronger. Plus, vitamin C is mildly stimulating. It helps produce brain chemicals that keep you alert. Seniors who take it at night often toss and turn, missing crucial deep sleep time. I treated Harold, a 79-year-old retired teacher who was drinking bone broth daily and lifting weights, but felt weaker every week. He was taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C with his dinner, thinking it would boost healing. Once he moved his vitamin C to morning, his sleep improved, and within a month, he regained strength he thought was gone forever. The fix: take vitamin C first thing in the morning, never after lunch. The third muscle destroyer is caffeine. Most seniors think caffeine is just coffee and tea, but it hides in many supplements, especially energy multivitamins and metabolism boosters. Caffeine at night is devastating for muscle building. It raises cortisol and blocks adenosine receptors in your brain, the system that tells your body it's time for deep sleep. A 2020 study followed 160 older adults for 10 weeks. Those consuming caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more muscle mass than caffeine-free seniors, even eating the same amount of protein. I remember Gloria, an 81-year-old retired nurse. She was drinking collagen broth and exercising faithfully, but wasn't gaining muscle. We discovered her nighttime fat burner supplement contained 150 milligrams of hidden caffeine. Once she eliminated it, her sleep improved dramatically and her grip strength increased by 19% within a month. The fix: no caffeine after 12 p.m. and check all supplement labels carefully. Let me give you the exact routine that has helped hundreds of my senior patients rebuild their strength. With dinner between 6 to 7 p.m., take 3,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 with healthy fats. 2 hours after dinner between 8 to 9 p.m., take 20 to 25 milligrams of zinc with a full glass of water. Never take these after 2 p.m. B-complex vitamins should be taken with breakfast, vitamin C should be taken in the morning, and avoid any caffeine or stimulants. In the morning only, take all B vitamins, vitamin C, and have your coffee and tea. This simple routine works because it gives your body exactly what it needs during the critical nighttime muscle-building window, while avoiding anything that disrupts your sleep or muscle repair. I've seen 85-year-olds regain the strength to play with their great-grandchildren. I've watched seniors go from using walkers to climbing stairs confidently. The right vitamins at the right time can truly transform your golden years. Remember, building muscle after 60 isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Give your body what it needs when it needs it, and you'll be amazed at what's possible. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share this with any seniors you care about. Tomorrow, I'm revealing a simple exercise that increases leg strength by 34% without any equipment. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, this is Dr. Ava Clark reminding you that your strongest years can still be ahead of you.